Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Billerica long distance. Movers near me. 3 Movers Local Moving Company, Billerica, MA, is a locally owned and managed moving company that offers a range of moving services, such as packing, loading, unloading, and unpacking. If you're relocating inside the city, 3 Movers Local Moving Company in Billerica, MA, is an excellent option. They are renowned for their professionalism, efficiency, customer satisfaction, competitive pricing, reliability, and punctuality. We also know all the inner roads have to ensure you have the best possible experience in the area while relocating. The local moving company can collaborate with you to organize your move around these trips. Hiring efficient local movers is a wise choice for anyone looking to relocate without stress. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Billerica moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.